Hello guys, this is Ibrahim. I hope you are doing well. But first of all, I want to wish you Eid Mubarak before starting the video. And now let's get started. Before solving the second layer of the cube, let's do a quick revision about the first layer, and the cross. Let's see. Maybe you didn't understand it last time. Let me show you again. First, keep this white centerpiece on your top. And now let's attach them. This edge piece, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these edge pieces with their respective centers aligned. Let's find one. Let's find an edge piece. Here it is. We found one. As you can see, this edge piece is white and orange. So here is the centerpiece, white centerpiece. Let's twist it once. There. Now the first piece is aligned, and even the orange color is aligned with orange color edge piece is aligned with the center point. Let's keep another edge piece at its respective place. Here we found another one, and it is easy again because it is already aligned with its centerpiece. Let's twist it once again. There. Don't care about these corner pieces. It may not be the same for you, but just don't care about them. We'll come to them afterwards. Now, even this piece is aligned. Even this piece is aligned. Now let's go to the next one. Here, let's find another edge piece to attach it there. Here, guys, we found another one, white and blue. Let's keep it there. This time it may be a bit tricky, but I know you'll understand it. Twist it this side once, hold it like this, and twist it once. Because as you can see, if we do like this, the white part should be here, but it won't. So just put it here and move the middle piece once. There. And now the piece is here. We can just attach it like this. And now this piece is at its respective place. Now let's as you can see, these pieces are jumbled. We just have to twist them once, as we just did that piece, right? And now this is aligned, but this one is not. Let's set it. Twist it twice down, and this is blue and red. No, it's not correct. But this is blue and blue. It's correct perfectly. You can twist it twice on this side or on this side. I'm doing it this side. 1, 2. And now this piece is aligned, and another part of the cross is fixed. Now let's find the last one. This is gonna be the easiest because we already know. We found another one here. Now again, if we twist it once, but again it is the red piece should be here, but it's not the white piece. Let's do the same thing. Twist it once like this, move the middle piece, and then twist it like this. And now these middle pieces are jumbled again. Just twist it to that side once again. And now our cross is ready, guys. I hope you understood. Now let's go to the next step, which is solving the first layer and while making a T. Let's get started with this part. White, red and green. Let's find the white, red and green corner piece so that it can get attached here. This is red, blue and yellow. It's not correct. Here is white, red and green. So to attach it there, twist it down once, twist it this side, and then hold your cube like this, so that this piece is there, this piece is there. Let's just align this one again. It may get some jumbled sometime, but if we align it, it'll get fixed nicely. Now twist it like this, and twist it that side again. And now this piece is perfectly aligned to its place. Now let's go to the next one. As you can see, my next piece is aligned perfectly. Look, white, red and blue, white, red and blue. It may not be the same for you, but use the formula which I told you and it will get done easily. Let's go to the next one. Here, white, blue and orange. Let's find the white, blue and orange corner piece, as this is white, orange and green. So now, not here, let's find it somewhere, guys. Here we found it. Now we should twist it once down and make it come here. And this place we can put it at its place back. We can fix it afterwards. Now hold the cube like this and like this. Now twist this one down, twist this one to the right, twist this one up again, and twist it that side. And now another piece of our first layer which we have to do is aligned again. Now for the last one. This is also going to be easy, as we know it's going to be the only one left. We found it here. Okay, this time it is that side. So twist. Let's do like this. Twist it up like this, and now we have to push it down. But this one will get jumbled. But we can fix that. Twist it twice again like this, and twist it to the left. There. This piece is lined, but this piece is jumbled, and it's gonna be pretty easy fixing that. Just hold your cube like this again, down. Twist this layer, this up layer to the right, up, there. Now as you can see guys, our first layer is fully solved and the tea is ready. Now let's come to this video, part 3, how to solve the second layer. And now let me teach you how to do it. So as you can see, this is the white piece, we should keep it on the top. And what is the opposite of white? I told you that I'm going to tell you right now. Opposite of white is yellow. So in order to fix these pieces to their respective places for the second layer, let's not focus on the yellow pieces. As you can see, this piece has yellow and green. We should not pay attention to it. Let's move to this piece, blue and red. So as you can see, this is the red piece on the top. Just twist it to that side once. Now these both are aligned, and now hold the cube like this. Twist it down, there, like this, like this. Just jumble this piece for once. And now use the other formula to solve it. Like this, like this. I'm showing you carefully. Like this and like this. I hope you got it. This piece is aligned towards place. Now let's go to the next one. Here, orange and green. So as you can see, the orange is on the top. Let's take it towards place. Orange. Now again, as you can see, this is green here. So do it like this again. Down, like this, like this, like this. Now it is jumbled again. Now let's solve it from the opposite side. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Now this piece is also aligned, and even this piece is aligned. Now for this piece and this piece, let's start. Yellow and green, don't pay attention. And even there's a yellow piece down, but still, even though if it is up or it is down, don't pay attention to that piece. Here, green and red. We can attach this piece. As we can see, the green piece is on the top. Move it like this. And now let's solve it. Hold it like this again, like this, like this, like this, like this. And now this part is jumbled again. Let's solve it from the opposite side. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Now you can see it's pretty much getting solved. This piece is aligned, this piece is aligned, this piece is aligned, and this piece is aligned. Time for the last one. This one. Let's find one, blue and orange. As you can see, the blue piece is on the top. Take it to its place there. And now hold the cube like this again, like this, like this, like this, like this. Let's solve it from the opposite side again, like this, like this, like this, like this. And now guys, as you can see, the first layer is fully solved and the whole second layer is solved as well. So I'm going to teach you how to solve this third layer in the next video. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the video. Eid Mubarak and bye.